Hi everybody. In this video, I will talk about reducer and how to add reducer to your application. So firstly, we start from the previous lesson about action, and now when an action is sent to the reducer will change the state. Okay. So in this directory, I create a new file, and so the reducer relate to task, so I name it task reducer. Inside the reducer we have many function, one or many function. So firstly I have to add the item type from the item type here, and inside the reducer it will contain some function to change the state. So firstly, the state here is an array task. So the state here is an array of tasks. So after calling task reducer, the new array will be changed, and here it will return to the new state, but the old state or the current state will remains. So firstly, depending on the action type, we will change the value. We will return to the new value of state. So firstly, we switch case. The first we have add new task action. With this action, it will return to an array of tasks appending with the new task. And is this correct? No. Because it changed the state immediately here, it muted or changed the state, so it is not correct. It must create a new state independent from the current state. So here I use this. So this will create a new object of array in a separate memory, and I create it from the current state. So dot 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 task means that the current task. So we create a new array in a independent memory location. So we have a new array here and return to the array. And this is the object of new task. We have a task ID from action object. We also get the task name from action object, and completed default is full. When you talk to this, the completed property will be changed. Okay, so the second case is action. The action of talk one task. So firstly, you have to iterate the task array using map. It is something like the for loop, and inside this you have to check for the task which is touched, and where you can create a new task from here and change the value of the task depending on the completed property. And then we have a new task here. How to manage and combine this? You have to use an index.js file, and in this file you import some of the package for binding on reducer. So firstly, we have a combine reducer function, and I will use this function to combine and to manage multiple reducer. So I import the task reducer from this file here. I import the task reducer function here, and I call the combine reducer to add to the object on reducer. And if you have a multiple reducer here, you can add it by using the separated comma. For example, task reducer 1, task reducer 2, etc. and you now export the own reducer, so other JavaScript file can use it. So export default own reducer. So in the inside index.js, you import own reducer from this file from a reducer, not necessary to add index.js. So we copy this object and add it as a input parameter of the function create store. So the function create store will create a store object using own reducer in your application. Yes. Okay. Thanks for watching. This is the end of my lesson today. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting video about Redux in React Native. Bye bye.